friends.
Mont-Saint-Pierre is a picturesque village located in the La Haute-Gaspésie region in Quebec. It sits on the southern shore of the Gaspé Peninsula, overlooking the Gulf of St. Lawrence. The village is nestled between the sea and the Chic-Choc Mountains, offering stunning natural scenery and outdoor recreational opportunities. One of the main attractions of Mont-Saint-Pierre is its renowned paragliding site. The village is a popular destination for paragliding enthusiasts from around the world due to its favorable wind conditions and breathtaking views. Additionally, Mont-Saint-Pierre is a hub for outdoor activities such as hiking, camping, birdwatching, and whale watching, making it an ideal destination for nature lovers. The economy of Mont-Saint-Pierre is primarily based on tourism, with services and businesses catering to visitors exploring the area's natural beauty. Overall, Mont-Saint-Pierre is known for its stunning landscapes, outdoor adventures, and welcoming community, making it a popular destination for travelers seeking an authentic Quebecois experience amidst nature.
watching.